Hey everyone, this is Hassin here. Today I am recording a new video. This is about 30-second background remove. In our life we have to do many product photography or anything like that, and with that photo we have to remove the background, change the background. It's a very hard to do using Photoshop, and today I'm showing a 30-second tip. That's a huge tool which can help you to do remove the background very easily. The site name is BG Remove, and you will find remove.bg. Okay, so I have to upload the picture which one I want to remove the background. Let me try with this photo first. Okay, it's working. See, this background already removed. I can also edit from here and select the areas which one I don't want to remove or anything else, so that if I can download the lower version, I can also download the HD version. We need the HD version, so that we have to sign up here, and we need email ID to do the sign up. So here is the another solution, that is temporary temp email. We can do the thing easily using this temp email, and it's loading right now. I have to wait. Here is the email ID. I have to copy the email ID and paste here, and as usual the password and other things. Just click for the sign up. They have sent it already a email to my email account. See, here is the email account. Here is the email from the remove background, and I have to active the account. See, it's downloading right now. I can download easily from here. See, here is the file, which is almost 6.5 MB. The picture quality is very high, and see the areas. Let me show you another photo which can I can do the thing. Let me log out from this account, and start page and upload, and I want to upload this photo. Okay, see, the background already removed, and it's the age is very perfect. Okay, I can also design here. It's not a free service, we have to pay for that, and again I'm downloading the HD version, and I have to sign up for free. And right now I have to again go to the temp email. Temp email, it's loading right now. It's copy from here and paste and paste, everything the same, and I have to do the sign up. See, here is the picture. I can download the HD and download. It's done. It's already downloaded here. Let me check the quality. See, what's the quality? You can do any professional work using this. So this is the 30-second background remove tricks. I hope this will help you a lot to do any type of background remove things. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up, and also comment if you want to know this type of more tricks in your life. Thank you.